Gradelink makes importing contacts from a spreadsheet easy. In this video, you'll see how to import contacts from a spreadsheet step by step. In Gradelink, a contact is someone other than the mother, father, or legal guardian, such as an aunt, an uncle, grandparent, dentist, or pediatrician. If you want to import parents or guardians, please use the student import instead. There's a link to that video in the description below. To import contacts from a spreadsheet, go to Students, Admin, Import Contacts. Here, you'll find an option to download a sample CSV template. Although you don't have to use the provided template, it can be helpful as a guide. The student ID is the only mandatory field, and this ensures that each contact is properly linked to a specific student. All the other fields are optional, including the contact's name, email, phone number, and relationship to student. For a full list of available fields, you can download the sample spreadsheet or click the link in the description. Drag your spreadsheet here to upload your contacts. Within a few seconds, you'll see a green confirmation if the data was successfully imported, or a red error alert if something went wrong. If any errors are detected, the import is completely aborted, meaning no records are imported. You'll receive a returned CSV file with specific error notations to help you troubleshoot. Gradelink makes importing contacts from a spreadsheet easy. If you encounter any errors during the process, please contact your customer care rep for assistance.